Alright guys, welcome back. This is the last week of July, and right here I want us to go through DXY. So I would like to just quickly brush up on DXY, what we're expecting. We're expecting a retracement of this zone. We're expecting BTC, DXY to retrace to this zone on a monthly, which was a different zone on the weekly. So let's go down to weekly. Now the weekly zone is here. Let me go back to monthly and let me make these shows on a weekly. I don't want too many clusters. Let me just stability. Let's see it on a weekly. So let's go down to weekly. So you can see the weekly is a little bit different. So let me just remove it from the weekly view. Now on the weekly view, this is a previous lower low. This is a previous lower low here, but there was no candlestick here. It was chosen, the candle was right here. So this is the previous lower low, lower high, and we made a new low here. So I'm expecting a new lower high around this area. If I should mark out this area, and let's see how the candle is. You see that this last candle sweep everybody here, so I can use this zone. That's what I'm using this zone. And when price made this move, price didn't tap into this zone. Price came back for more demand to shoot price up. So this week is bullish. We should close this week bullish inside this area. So let's go down to daily. Now, because of that bullish zone, I don't want to distract the daily zone also, because if I should look into daily zone is this area, but my target is the weekly zone, which is this area. So looking forward to price coming down to this area, and from that area I want to see reactions. I want to see reactions. So let's go down to, remember the weekly already gave us this zone. I was looking at this zone. In fact, I'm going to mark this zone as areas I want to see price sell inside. So from 90 to 100, I want to see sellers take over this zone. So presently we've already tapped into this area before, and presently we are still back inside this area. So I want to see how we are going to turn around in this area. What news do we have for this week on DXY, and how are the news going to make DXY turn around? So today is Monday. Tuesday we have 3 p.m. Wednesday we have 7 p.m. Thursday we have 1:30, and Friday we have NFP 1:30 p.m. So we have a lot of news this week for USD, which will as much as Donald Trump is wanting dollars to go high, let's see how dollar react into these zones, and we are looking at the structure, and as the structure is going bearish, we are looking for more bearish move. But let's see how the news is going to affect what things will have for us this week. But all the best, we look forward to making profit from all directions for the XY. So the XY, I actually got a trade entry, I think around here last week Friday, and my stop loss was probably around here. I think I braked even around here, and price took me out before this move, because this move was ahead. I knew it was before London session, so price took me out. I just noticed that the XY was moving, and I went back to check break even, taking me out. So my major areas are these areas, and inside these areas, so I'll be looking into these areas to see how price react inside this area, because this area is very crucial for a rejection. We need to reject it. If we don't reject this area, then we're possibly coming back into this area. So these are the areas I'm looking forward to on the XY this week, and I'm looking forward to see how the news is going to affect and impact this rejection. Okay, I think that's that on the XY for this week. See you guys. Bye guys.